don't even know if I can write this song. Caught on a beam between right and wrong. Gotta keep forward, keep straight for the sake of why we stay awake all night long. It's not up to interpret, paranoid of exploiting the verdict. But in the same breath, I got thoughts that I want to express and let surface. This ain't for props or pop culture. It's about a balloon that got punctured. The sun shines fun till it burns someone, and we all got burned that summer. She was 16, another young angel with clipped wings. She came to the shows, but I never met her. Don't even know if she was listening. That night, we lost a supporter. That night, somebody lost a daughter. He raped and killed her at the venue. Can't comprehend what her friends must have went through. That night, the sun went dark. Now watch everyone on the tour bus fall apart. That night, Lord have mercy, the music died that night in Albuquerque. Right? This type of real doesn't happen to you, right? Crescent, Merce, Dibs, Jaybird. I wanna go home now and start a new life. Wish I could protect the kids. Guess safety is hit or miss with a prior convicted sex offense against a 4-year-old. Why we let you live? Don't know what I'm trying to write. There's a part of me that keeps dying at night. When I think about a mother, I become another number that wants you to suffer. You're locked up for now, you have no more chances to steal the children's laughs. And if you ever find God, better pray to her and ask that we never cross paths.